So
maybe this one I can buy. Would you like one? Actually,
everything is 1 euro here.
we need a new calendar for next week. Ah, they're Christmas stars. Wait, it's not yet Vlogmas.
Yeah. Gonna come back to it, I guess.
Look how cute. Oh my god.
Let's go back inside. Let's go inside, I mean.
Let's go back?
I mean, let's go inside.
So here I got some cute little stuffs. Maybe something like this, like glitter. Just put on it.
I like the
It's
color.
like, it's like kind of a box that she put like her gifts for me. So I want to design it a little bit cooler. What do you
There's
mean?
no red. Ah, there's red. Maybe this one?
Yeah, also 1 euro only. Confetti?
What is this?
Confetti, kind of. I think you just.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Everything's 1
Pretty
euro.
cute.
You gotta have this one.
Wanna paint it on?
Mm-hmm.
But look, they have it like this set. Oh, doesn't matter. Because you need like glue, right?
I mean, I think
Do we
you need
have
this one.
You need to buy glue.
Where do you go?
Need a glue.
What is this? This bigger one?
Very big.
Let's check in later.
Hi, this is Jojo Rarity. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here. It's me, and I've got a new ring light that just arrived on Monday, and today is 2 days ago, and with a stand. Can you show it? It was pretty cool than the last one I got. Anyway, my room looks kinda different. As you notice, I put the bed like this side. Before it was like this side, so I kind of have more space here. And also I put the TV at the back. Yeah, sister. And TV was like actually on the left side because of gonna do the Christmas tree. Probably this side or this side, I don't know yet. We're gonna do it maybe December 1st or something. So today is something different that I never did before. Like, I'm gonna create my own advent calendar. First of all, I just want to show you what I've bought. Like, these cute little stickers. Of course, Christmas related. And then this one. And also, like, these are colors. Red and green Christmas colors. And then gold with glitter. I also got like a brush for, because you know what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paint this all like red and green, kind of mix it, I guess. I don't know, I never done this things before, but I'm gonna try to be so creative. And by the way, if you don't know what that is, like here in Germany it's kind of tradition to do that, like every day from December 1 until 24 you will open like a little door. Actually it's like always like, it's like this size, and then like little doors you open each day, and then like most is like chocolate inside, or sometimes there's makeup, perfume you can choose. There's kind of different calendars out there, but this year I decided to do something different with my sister because my friend's idea, Jackie. And so yeah, I'm gonna show you like inside. This box really fits right for the gifts. For example, it's like small gifts we each bought for each other. I also did this for her. And yeah, every day I will open one gift, like small gifts. And yeah, it looks so cute. I'm just gonna style it a bit so it looks like cool Christmas spirit. By the way, I use these boxes from the ring light. Kind of fits perfectly. Anyway, my sister wrote this, and this one I think I will get this off because I was thinking what we're gonna do with it. And also maybe just put all the colors here or something. Let's see, I don't know. Oh, my sister's
Hey.
really helped me. This is May, by the way, if you haven't seen it before. Anyway, this is it.
This is it, guys.
And maybe it should, like, I don't want any color on my clothes.
Oh, yeah.
You know, yours is white, so it's pretty dangerous.
Look, there are 2 brushes here. So, yeah.
So, oh,
Looks like this. I tried this
this
one.
is how it's gonna happen.
It's
But
like-
it's okay, you can just see it.
Glitter.
Wow, yeah, that's such a nice color, guys.
And this? This is cute.
Cute too. This color.
It's like glitter. Look at this. Nice. Never done this thing before.
Same.
It's nice. How's it going over there?
Good, but there's so much color going on here. Yeah, I can't touch it, so I must like do like this. There's so much color here. Didn't fall down. Maybe it's good like this, actually.
The next day.
So, hi, we're back. We had to wait like for the next day
Yeah,
because it wasn't dried yet completely.
It took so long. It was so late already.
And I tried to write like here, but then I noticed the wrong way.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna write now. A. I think I want this,
This
like
is
on the
cute.
top. Put this on the top too.
Alright. Look at that. Look at this.
Here we're gonna put like this. Some in here. And this stuff. It's so cute at the start.
Very simple.
Simple but cute.
Ta-da. Now we put the presents inside.
Yeah.
Is it? Any gifts for her? This is her advent calendar.
It's from me. Paid my own.
Yeah. We just have more, but it's just what's fit right
Yeah, because the
inside.
other ones are like a bit bigger. So those are the small gifts.
Yes. It's just randomly.
They randomly the numbers.
Yeah.
Here's like one. So yeah, and then let's close it then. Ta-da.
Ta-da. The advent calendar is done.